Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2015 Audi Q3 2.0 TDI SE S Tronic Quattro, a refined and capable SUV finished in white with a cloth interior. Designed for comfort and performance, it delivers a smooth and efficient driving experience. At the side, the Q3 sits on 17-inch alloy wheels, featuring roof rails and electric folding mirrors for added practicality and style. At the rear, the LED taillights, reverse camera, and tow bar enhance functionality and convenience. Front and rear parking sensors ensure easy maneuverability. Powered by a 2.0-liter TDI diesel engine with quattro all-wheel drive and S Tronic automatic transmission, this Q3 offers excellent traction and smooth acceleration. Cruise control and a stop-start system improve efficiency. Stepping inside, enjoy electric adjusting seats, heated front seats, and an advanced infotainment system. The system includes Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and park assist for a seamless driving experience. The Q3 provides comfortable and supportive rear seats, making every journey enjoyable for passengers. The Q3 offers a spacious and practical luggage area, perfect for both everyday use and longer trips. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration HD15EZA to book a test drive or request a video tour.